Good day. In this video I'll be showing you how to enter the cap codes and edit them, set the vibrate and beep function, how to set the time, and how to change the battery and silicone strap. We'll start off by doing the cap codes. You'll need the pager and the battery. You'll start off by opening the battery compartment, inserting the battery, but before you fully insert the battery you need to hold the mode button. Then insert the battery fully. You'll need to wait a few seconds and then you'll see cap 1. Once you see cap 1, release the mode. To go into this option you push the power button and then you'll see a whole bunch of numbers. It will always start in the second one. You can use the power button to cycle through the numbers and then the mode button to go to each number next to it and so on. To go out of this you'll go push mode to go all the way to the end. Once you reach the last digits you push it again and you'll see cap 1. Once you see cap 1 you can hold mode to restart. Do take into consideration that a technician will assist you with this part of the pager. From there we're going to set the vibrate and beep function. To do that you hold the mode button in. It will bring up the option delete. You release mode. To cycle through this you'll short push the mode button and it will come up with a whole bunch of options. It starts off with chirp, it then goes to beep, vibrate beep, vibrate low, vibrate high, and that is all the options. From there it has time set. To go into that you push power and you can put it on or off by using the mode button. Power then goes out and saves that setting. From there I'll be showing you how to change the battery. It's as simple as opening the battery compartment, taking the battery out and putting a new one in. With the silicone strap it's as easy as taking the silicone strap, putting the pager in, taking your fingers, pulling the strap around the watch while pushing with your thumb. Now it's in the strap. Take it out, it's a similar thing. Take your two fingers with the thumb, pull on the strap and push with your other hand underneath to get the pager out. It's as simple as that. Thank you.